Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. We had some early weakness across the board in equities, and you know what? The treasuries were starting to exude that overnight, grinding higher. They were saying that there could be some weakness here in the S&P or something to be concerned about overall in the market. They're holding very well right now, but the S&P did hit major three-star support. It's battling back. The NASDAQ did come into a major three-star support. It's actually trying to turn green on the day. Bank of America is up more than 1% after earnings this morning. We looked to Netflix, IBM, and others after the bell today. So keep an eye on that. We expect volatility after the bell. Overall, though, we did turn more neutral in the S&P yesterday. The market seemed a bit exhausted, as well as our resistance levels were hit, both in the S&P and the NASDAQ. We talked about it. While we are still slightly bullish because, yeah, it's in breakout territory. It hasn't done anything wrong. This is a healthy pullback. Those support levels are holding. Now it matters where we finish here on the session. So keep an eye on that. Again, volatility after the close with some of the earnings. And then moving on with crude oil, it's down sharply. We do have major three-star support at 57, 57.13. Watch that area. Close below there is bearish. Now the inventory data, the headline numbers on crude itself, they weren't bearish. They were somewhat bullish, but it's the big builds and the distillates as well as gasoline weighing on the market, and overall the more bearish technical signal with the break below 59, 59 and a quarter. When that happened yesterday, the tape turned ugly, and when it's bounced back here through today, that's now major three-star resistance, and we have the 382 retracement on that range from yesterday's low at about 58.5, and that is really what's been a headwind for the market too. So a lot of resistance to the upside, and a close below 57.13 is bearish. Now, gold itself has been just grinding higher, but silver's been pulling it up. Silver's been just moving out to the highest level since March, and really trying to get above that $16 mark. Gold is following here today, just slowly elevating up. The treasuries, the higher treasuries on the day, have been supportive to gold. Now the dollar's also turned negative, and it's poor data on the housing side this morning has helped push a little bit of pressure on the dollar. Gold's capitalizing, but we do have major three-star resistance overhead. So watch for that in gold, and it's in a trading range right now. Do not be surprised if we stay in a trading range in gold until we get the Fed meeting in about 2 weeks. But this is very encouraging right now, and it is a very solid technical move up right now. Would love just to see that first close out above 1432 to be bullish. Until it does that, it remains range bound. But give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You check our website for updates. You sign up for a free trial to research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It's not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.